CuriosityStream free trial. CuriosityStream offers a free trial for new subscribers, allowing access to its vast library of documentaries and educational content before committing to a paid plan. The trial provides full access to all features, including HD and 4K streaming, depending on the chosen subscription tier. 1. Free trial duration. CuriosityStream provides a 7-day free trial for new users. During this period, subscribers can watch unlimited documentaries without restrictions. 2. Available subscription plans. After the free trial, users must choose a paid plan. Standard plan, $2.99 per month or $19.99 per year, HD streaming. Premium plan, $9.99 per month or $69.99 per year, 4K streaming. 3. What's included in the free trial? Unlimited access to the entire CuriosityStream documentary library, ad-free streaming in HD or 4K, depending on the selected plan. Watch on multiple devices, including smart TVs, mobile phones, and streaming devices. 4. How to sign up for the free trial. Step 1. Go to CuriosityStream.com or open the CuriosityStream app. Step 2. Click Start your free trial. Step 3. Choose between the standard or premium plan. Step 4. Enter email, password, and billing information. Step 5. Enjoy 7 days of free access to documentaries. 5. Supported devices for free trial streaming. CuriosityStream works on web browsers, PC/Mac, smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, Chromecast, iOS and Android devices. 6. Canceling before the trial ends. Users can cancel anytime before the 7-day trial ends to avoid charges. To cancel, go to Account Settings, then Subscription, then Cancel. If not canceled, the subscription automatically renews at the selected plan's price. 7. No hidden fees or contracts. The free trial is completely free, with no hidden charges. Users are not locked into long-term commitments and can cancel anytime. 8. Possible future free trial offers. Occasionally, CuriosityStream offers extended trials during promotions. Some third-party services bundle CuriosityStream with other platforms which may include different trial lengths. CuriosityStream's 7-day free trial gives users full access to ad-free educational documentaries, with options for HD or 4K streaming. If not canceled before the trial ends, the subscription will auto-renew at the selected pricing plan.